10 fascinating facts about the human mind you've never heard before. Have you ever wondered what's happening inside your head? The human mind is one of the most mysterious and powerful creations in the universe. It processes thousands of thoughts every day, shapes how we see the world, and even has the power to rewrite our memories. In today's video, we'll dive into 10 incredible facts about the human mind that you probably didn't know. Some of them may just blow your mind, pun intended. So grab your curiosity and let's explore the fascinating world of your brain. Did you know that your brain generates approximately 50,000 thoughts every single day? That boils down to roughly 35 thoughts per minute. But here's the catch. Most of these thoughts are happening in your subconscious mind. You're barely aware of them. Think of your brain as an iceberg. The small portion above the water is your conscious mind, and everything hidden beneath the surface is subconscious. This massive back-end processing allows you to multitask effortlessly. Breathing, walking, and making sense of your surroundings all happen without your active focus. It's amazing, isn't it? But it also means a lot of your day is running on autopilot. That's why practicing mindfulness can help you tune in to what's really going on in that incredible mind of yours. Here's another fun fact. While your body rests, your brain doesn't. Even when you're asleep, your brain is constantly working. During sleep, it's busy organizing memories, repairing neural connections, and processing emotions. Have you ever woken up from a vivid dream and wondered what it meant? That's your brain engaging in REM sleep, which is when it's most active. Dreams are thought to serve a purpose in emotional regulation and creativity. Some of the world's most incredible ideas, like the structure of DNA, came from dreams. So the next time someone says, get your 8 hours in, remember, you're not being lazy. Your brain is working overtime to keep you sharp and emotionally balanced. Although your brain makes up about 2% of your body weight, it uses a whopping 20% of your body's energy. This massive energy requirement powers essential functions like thinking, breathing, and maintaining focus. Ever notice how tired you feel after a long study session or a day full of meetings? That's because when you're focused, your brain is working even harder, burning glucose at a faster rate. So if you thought mental exhaustion wasn't real, think again. This is why proper nutrition and hydration are so important. Feeding your brain the right fuel, like omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, can make a world of difference in how sharp and energized you feel. One of the most surprising facts about the human mind is that your memory isn't a perfect recording of the past. Instead, it's more like a reconstruction. Each time you recall a memory, your brain pulls together bits of information and essentially rewrites the story. This is why two people can have such different accounts of the same event. Your mind fills in gaps based on emotions, biases, and even new experiences. In some cases, it can trick you into believing things happened that never did. The next time you're reminiscing about the good old days, remember that your mind might be adding a little creative flair to the story. Here's something that might ease your social anxiety. Your brain exaggerates how much people are paying attention to you. This is called the spotlight effect. For example, if you accidentally trip while walking into a room or forget someone's name during a conversation, your brain makes you believe everyone noticed and judged. But the reality, most people are far too focused on themselves to dwell on your minor slip-ups. Understanding the spotlight effect can help you worry less about what others think and focus more on how you feel. Believe it or not, your brain plays tricks on you every single day. While you might think your senses give you an accurate picture of reality, your brain actually filters, interprets, and edits sensory information to create what you perceive. For example, optical illusions show how your brain fills in gaps or interprets things that aren't there. Even your emotions and past experiences shape how you see the world. Have you ever listened to a song when you're sad and found it completely different than when you're happy? That's your brain in action, reshaping reality to match your mental state. This fascinating process is a reminder that the way you see the world isn't always the way it truly is. One of the most amazing truths about the human brain is its ability to rewire itself throughout your life. This phenomenon is called neuroplasticity, and it's the reason you can learn new skills, overcome habits, and even recover from brain injuries. Every time you learn something new, your brain creates new neural connections. The more you practice, the stronger these pathways become, like carving a path through the forest. But here's a word of caution. Negative habits can also shape your brain in unhelpful ways. The good news is you can reverse these patterns by consciously building positive habits. So, whether it's learning an instrument, tackling a new language, or starting a daily exercise routine, know that your brain is ready to adapt. You might think you're a rational person, but here's a truth about the human brain. It's heavily influenced by emotions. Even decisions that feel logical are often shaped by how you're feeling at the moment. For instance, research has shown that people are more likely to take risks when they're feeling confident or excited, and to act more conservatively when they're scared or sad. Emotions play such a pivotal role in decision-making that they often override logic entirely. Next time you're making an important choice, ask yourself, am I really thinking clearly, or are my emotions steering the wheel? Think you're great at multitasking? Well, science says otherwise. Your brain isn't actually capable of doing multiple things at once. Instead, it switches rapidly between tasks, and that constant toggling comes with a cost. Every time you shift focus, your brain has to reorient itself, which makes you less efficient overall. Studies have shown that multitasking can reduce productivity by up to 40% and lead to more mistakes. So while it might feel like answering emails during a Zoom call is saving you time, you're probably just splitting your focus and doing both tasks poorly. Let's talk about dreams. Why are they so hard to remember? It turns out the part of your brain responsible for forming long-term memories, called the hippocampus, is much less active during sleep. While dreams feel vivid when you're having them, they slip away quickly after you wake up because your brain hasn't saved them. Interestingly, keeping a dream journal can help you recall and even connect with your dreams more. The act of writing them down strengthens the neural pathways needed for memory retention. So, if you want to unlock the hidden meanings in your dreams, grab a notebook and start jotting. And there you have it, 10 fascinating facts about the human mind that prove just how extraordinary your brain really is. From generating thousands of thoughts to continuously adapting and creating reality, the mind is full of surprises. Learning about how your brain works not only deepens your curiosity, but also empowers you to make better decisions, embrace habits that reshape your mind, and appreciate the quirks that make us human. Now it's your turn. Which fact amazed you the most? Was it how memory rewrites itself, the spotlight effect, or something else entirely? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the incredible world of the mind. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.